Coinlist's karma point system has been updated. Let's take a look at how this karma system works together. After logging into your Coinlist account, navigate to the karma section at the bottom left. Here, there are various options available to increase your karma points. If you are an existing user of Coinlist, you can claim your old karma points. Since I have karma points from before, I will claim mine. I'm claiming my 1775 karma points. Since I have previously verified my identity on Coinlist and transferred funds to my wallet and traded, I can also claim the points shown here. If you are new to Coinlist, you can claim your points by completing these tasks. Remember that there is a deadline for claiming these points. You can verify your identity from the Your Account section. If you haven't transferred any money to Coinlist yet, go to the Wallet section. Here, those who want to send USDT to their account can select USDT. Then you'll need to go to the Deposit section to get your address. But remember that this address is an ERC20 address. When sending money to this network, there is a chance you might pay excessive fees. That's why I usually use my Solana wallet address when sending money. After depositing assets into your account, you can convert your assets to the desired currency using the Buy-Sell section. By doing this, you'll have completed the Coinlist trade task, and your trade points in the karma system will be claimable. In the karma point system, there are also different tasks. In the event section, there are staking and trading sections. After depositing money into Coinlist, if you stake your money, you'll earn karma points at the rates specified here. Likewise, when you trade, you'll also earn karma points. These tasks are weekly tasks. To do the staking task, you need to go to the staking section. There are many cryptocurrencies available for staking here. Choose the one you want and read the conditions carefully. It's important to know when your money will be released and to see how many karma points you'll earn from the staking process. For trade tasks, you can use the Buy-Sell section, or you can also use the Coinlist Pro section. I'm returning to the karma point page. I'm currently in the gold tier with 2175 points. Since I'm close to the green color, I'm close to advancing to the next level. The reason Coinlist introduced this new karma system is to encourage users to be active. The more active you are, the higher the chance you have of advancing to the next level. Thus, your chances of participating in Coinlist's new pre-sales are also high. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you want more videos about the Coinlist, please like the video and let me know in the comments that you want more Coinlist videos. See you in the next video.